everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. And this is our new mobile homestead we're building right now. We opted to build our camper instead of buy one because we're full-timers and they don't make campers very good. As I said on the video before this one, we have sprayed the ceiling with foam, froth pack foam by Dow, and there's some, I've window paned all the foam in here to air seal it and moisture seal it in the sidewalls, but I sprayed it up in the roof. Now we have put some more of that 2-inch board even with our ceiling line, and we're starting to put our paneling in. That's oak veneer 1/4-inch paneling, and these are LED flush lights that we have in our bedroom. And we still have to finish that part and get the sidewalls put in our bedroom, and then I can start doing all my plumbing and everything for the rest of the utilities in here. But I just wanted to show you what we're up to today, and you guys have a blessed day and happy trails.